Okay. Okay. What are offer letters?
Given by a company.
An inquiry letter is given by a client to the company. An offer letter is given from the client to the company to the client. Like you are offering something, you are salesman, you are a sales manager, you are offering something. Okay, what is an order letter? Like you want to order something.
The buying and selling. What the presented competitors.
Be clear what you want to say.
Order letter, those letters which are written by the customer to the manufacturer to get odd items or order something.
And there are three types of orders. One is trial, repeat, and routine. What is the trial order? Let him answer.
ट्रायल ऑर्डर में जैसे कोई एसेट हम मतलब खरीद रहे हैं उसको ट्रायल करने के लिए तो ऑर्डर करते हैं एसेट मतलब गुड्स खरीद रहे हैं.
This is how you will write in your exam.
फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने एग्जांपल लिए मतलब हॉस्पिटल है तो एग्जांपल लिए मतलब हमको ये फिनाइल चाहिए यूज के लिए तो वो हमारा ट्रायल ऑर्डर है.
तो ऐसे आप लिखोगे एग्जाम में भी क्या?
लेकिन थोड़ा समझाना चाहिए.
Okay, what is the repeat order?
रिपीट ऑर्डर में जो सैंपल पसंद आ जाता है उसको जब कंटिन्यू रखते हैं.
बाकी लोग क्यों चुप हैं?
After reading this sample and be satisfied with the sample, then we order for something and that
The
process
order
is
should go on
continued.
is
That is
repeat.
called
Go
repeat order.
on.
Okay, fine. And what is the routine order?
And we continue our order after it of first and trial order.
Okay. Now the next question. What are formal or informal letters? Hmm?
When the employees write a letter to the organization, then it is a formal letter, and when we write a letter to our relatives, friends, then it is an informal letter.
Yes, please speak.
The formal letters are written to higher officials.
Higher.
Yes.
Only higher officials.
No, higher officials, dean.
No?
Professional communication.
It's kind of
Formal
letter. It's kind of
A formal letter should always have a proper structure, should always be written in a specific style. Language should always be formal, whereas an informal letter does not follow any structure or any style or any format,
it's kind of personal letter.
and the language is very conversational.
Short and simple.
No, short.
It's not
Short and simple तो formal letter में भी होता है.
Formal.
दोनों
Formal letter is the point, conversation is to the point. And informal letter includes couple words, and informal letter we use
Alright. What are official letters and how are they different from business letters? How are they different? How are they same from business letters? What are official letters?
And what are the official letters?
Hmm? क्वेश्चन क्या था?
Is official.
Official.
How are different this is from business letter?
Official letter also is formal.
The official letter only forms in formal way. Business letters may be formal or informal. And
No.
official letters are allowed.
All business letters are formal letters.
Official letter means that when employees write a letter to the organization, then it is official. Business letter, it's also include inquiry letter, order letter, and offer letter. So business letter has wider scope than official letter.
Any more answer?
Official letter can be used for now job applications.
I did not ask why, how can they be used? What is the basic difference and similarities between business letter and official letter?
All official letters are business letters, but all business letters are not the official letters.
Any more answer? No answer. Alright, business letters can be written inside the organization and outside the organization also. Right? But official letters are only written only within the office. ऑफिस के अंदर लिखा जाता है. Official letters cannot be written outside the organization, whereas business letters can be written within the organization and outside also. Like when you are applying for any loan, or when you are applying for a leave, that is also official letter. But when you are trying to improve the business, promote the business of your company, when you are writing a proposal, that also is an business letter. So business letters are written outside the organization, whereas official letters are
Inside the organization.
Now we already know the three styles: the block, the semi-block, and the indented. Now we come to the 14 parts of business letter. How many are there? 14. What are they? I want you to write down each. किताब में उल्टो पुल्टो मत नहीं मिलेगा. That book is reference only. Okay, there are 14 parts. Take down the notes. 14 parts of a business letter. Today we'll write down the 14 parts only. In the next class we'll discuss what are they. So parts of a letter and format of a letter are two different things. Styles, formats and parts of a letter. So as I said, there are 14 parts of a business letter. But you will not write these 14 parts in every letter, as and when required. So the first is the heading or the letterhead. The second is the date line. You're making an outline note. What are you making? This is the outline style. You're not detailing everything, but you're writing the complete points. You're outlining the entire part of a letter. You are not discussing it in detail, right? This is the outlining style. Do you understand? Second is the date line. Third is the reference. Next, inside address, subject line then, greetings or salutations,
Just like
greetings and salutation, body paragraph, complimentary close, signature or writer's identification, enclosures, copy circulation, blind copy, BCC, blind carbon copy, postscript, nota bene, note taking, no?
No, last point.
Nota bene, NB.
What is that?
I told you now, you just write down the outline style. the details will be discussed in the next class. Nota bene or postscript are the same thing. When you write yours sincerely, when you finish your letter, you want to write something which is more important. Something important you want to highlight. So you write PS. Please be seated by 5. PS. Don't bring any gift. So PS or nota bene is additional information which you want to give the reader, which you want to highlight. Okay? You have not seen this before? So there are a lot of things you have not seen before, but which you are going to see here. Okay. We'll discuss this in the next class. Have you written it down?